In this course, we'll be learning how to create progressive web applications using React. Before proceeding further, let's first of all understand what exactly a progressive web application is. A progressive web application, or PWA, can work on low-speed networks and they are installable on your mobile devices. A PWA can be treated like a mobile application or a mobile website all in one. So why we should be making use of PWAs? If you want your users to be available on your website and regularly visit your website, you need to ensure that your website is serving the content at a very fast pace. So the page load needs to be very fast. And in order to ensure that fast loading web experience, PWAs are the recommended way. Now, these installs on users' mobile devices. They also work well over varying networks like 3G, 4G, 5G, and they are platform agnostic. That means you do not have to go and launch your applications on App Store or Play Store for that matter. And they can be easily built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They are responsive to any screen size, and they also provide an offline experience. They're fully accessible and they can also be discovered through search. But before we go ahead and start creating our PWA, let's see what are the minimum checklists that we need to follow. The first requirement is that it should be served over SSL. So our content must be hosted on a secured site, and once that is there, we must have a web manifest. Now the web manifest must contain short name, icons, start URL, and display mode, that is full screen, standalone, or minimal UI. We also should have a service worker with a functional fetch handler. Now we'll come to this one as well when we'll be creating our PWA application, and that will be continuing in the next lecture.